Let's get you the latest on the coronavirus crisis in India. 36 people so far have tested positive for the deadly virus. On Sunday, 5 new cases were reported in Kerala. According to the Kerala Health Minister Shailaja, 3 of the 5 infected persons have a travel history from Italy. 2 others are their relatives who were infected after coming in touch with them. As per the information that we have, the 5 coronavirus patients of Kerala might have interacted with nearly 3,000 people in Pathanamthitta in Kerala. Now, the State Health Department is attempting to trace all those who got in contact with them. The Pathanamthitta District Administration has declared 3 days holiday for all educational institutions. Despite the coronavirus scare, the Thiruvananthapuram city will host the Attukal Pongata festival, which is set to be attended by 5 lakh women today. Meanwhile, the centre has advised states and union territories to enhance community surveillance.
India continues to battle coronavirus scare with 5 new positive cases coming to light in Kerala. 3 of a Kerala family who tested positive had travelled to Italy recently. The other 2 had come in contact with them. An urgent meeting was held at the Kochi airport to track the passengers who had travelled along with the family.
The issue is that the persons who returned from the other countries should be responsible. Responsible behavior is the most important part now, and they should report directly to the health department.
On Saturday, 3 positive cases were reported. 2 from Ladakh with travel history to Iran and 1 from Tamil Nadu who travelled to Oman. Tamil Nadu government held a review meeting on Sunday.
If they are asymptomatic, then depending on the country they come from, we keep them under home surveillance as well. But now at present, all the international flights, all the international passengers, we have the full history of them.
In Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal chaired a meeting of state-level task force on COVID-19 and announced a string of measures to contain its spread.
ये ऑर्डर कर दिए गए हैं कि मेट्रो बसेस और सभी हॉस्पिटल्स इनका डेली डिसइंफेक्टेंट के जरिए इनको डिसइंफेक्ट किया जाएगा। लेकिन मेरी सबसे निवेदन है कि होली वाले दिन भी अपने आप को कोरोना वायरस से बचाने के लिए भीड़भाड़ वाले इलाकों को, भीड़भाड़ वाली जगहों को परहेज करें।
Experts meanwhile continue to stress on need for personal hygiene to stay safe against the virus. Bureau Report, India Today.
So in Kerala is where we're also witnessing an unprecedented crisis because of the 5 people who've tested positive for coronavirus. The fear is that these 5 could have possibly interacted with nearly 3,000 people in Pathanamthitta district, and that's why a lot of precautionary steps are being taken in that particular district. Gopi Krishnan Unithan is joining us live with more details on this. Gopi, good morning. A lot of praise has been given to Kerala over how they handled the 3 coronavirus cases in the recent past. Now 5 have come to light, and there are questions about how these 5 members, and 3 of them had travelled to Italy recently. How was it not known that they had a travel history to Italy?
Well, very good morning, Akshita. As you were rightly pointing out, Kerala is actually now looking at a very severe crisis at the moment, because we are not trying to exaggerate the situation, but we are trying to ensure that the people in this state are taking utmost precautions in terms of personal hygiene and healthcare. Now, coming to this specific issue, as far as we understand at the moment, as per the information that we have at the moment, 5 people from Kerala have been tested positive for coronavirus. Now, this includes a 3-member family who had returned from Italy in the first week of March, and also 2 of their relatives. And according to the information given out by the state health minister, this family, which had come from Italy, they traveled via Doha, and because they had a layover in Doha, when they reached the airport in Kochi, they did not mention about this particular fact that they were returning from Italy. Now there is another question that is arising on why wasn't this pointed out, or why did not the immigration notice this when they came out through the immigration channel or immigration counter, because that is actually a mandatory procedure for every international passenger. But now that is actually something that has to be answered by the immigration department. And after that, once they reach Kerala, they travel from the Kochi International Airport towards Rani, which is in Pathanamthitta district, by road. And after that, they visited a lot of their relatives in the nearby areas and also in their nearby districts. And two of their relatives who were in contact with these people who had come from Italy, they approached a private hospital with symptoms of fever. That is when the doctors they suspected that this could be a case of COVID-19, and their samples were taken and sent for test, and these people were shifted to the medical college. During their contact tracing is when the government administration came to know that there was this 3-member family who had come from Italy without revealing their previous travel history. They had come here, they had come to Kerala, they had been there. And when their samples were also taken, it was also tested positive. Now the actual crisis that the state government is looking at is the over 3,000 people who had been in direct contact or secondary or third stage contact with these people. And all of them will now have to be contacted. Their samples will have to be taken and their health condition will have to be monitored very, 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 very closely. Also, one more important fact, that today the Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital, is hosting the largest gathering of women, Archigal Pongala, and maybe by around 9:30 we might just be able to give you visuals of that gathering as well. And in the wake of COVID-19, the health minister has appealed to the people that any person, any women who is showing any symptoms of fever or sore throat should not really attend this festival, at least for this year. Back to you.
Okay, Gopi, thank you for getting us all those updates. Questions, of course, will be asked of the airport authorities on this particular lapse that allowed 3 members of a family who recently travelled to Italy to interact with so many people, leading to this crisis in Kerala.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.